Session 15, Data Sources. Agenda is setting up Grafana data source, adding a Grafana dashboard as a default dashboard. So how to add a data source? Before you create your first dashboard, you need to add your data source. Grafana ships with built-in MySQL data source plugin that allows you to query and visualize data from MySQL compatible databases. Only users with organization admin role can add data sources, not everybody. Adding a data source. Move your cursor to the cog wheel on the left hand side, which will show you the configuration menu, and here you see the data source link. Click add data source and you will come to the settings page on your new data source page. If the side menu is not visible, then click on Grafana icon on the upper left corner and then click on configuration and data sources in that side menu. In the name box, enter the name of this data source, and then the URL, for example, Prometheus by default available at 9090 port number. You specify the details. So select Prometheus from the type drop down and then add the details. You will find the query editor in the matrix tab in the panel's edit mode. Panel has to be in edit mode in order to get the query, and you can add multiple queries. Advisable, there are some guidelines. The best practice is not more than 5 queries should be added into one panel. You can enter or you enter edit mode by clicking on the panel title and then edit, or single character E if you recollect. I explained in the previous example. Time series queries. Time series queries must return a column named time that returns a SQL date time. Any column except time and metric means only 2 types of columns should be there in the database: time and metric. If you have any other column which are part of the table, that will be treated as a value column. You may return a column named metric that is used as a metric name for the value column in your time series database. If you return multiple value columns and a column named metric, then this column is used as prefix for the series name. The result set of time series queries need to be sorted by time. The default Grafana dashboard. You can change the default dashboard on the organization level, team level, and user level. The home dashboard you set for the whole organization is the one all user will see by default until they set their own dashboard. The team dashboard applies to all users assigned to the team in Grafana. Therefore, this is second layer. If default home, this whole organization dashboard is also set, team is also set, then team dashboard will be applicable, will be visible to all the team members. The team dashboard overrides the organization dashboard, as I said, because in that case team dashboard will be visible, not the organization dashboard, if it is configured for a specific team. Similarly, we have personal dashboards. Personal dashboard settings will override team dashboard settings. How do you set it? Navigate to the dashboard you want to set as the home dashboard. Star this dashboard by clicking on the star next to the dashboard title. On the left menu, hover your cursor over the configuration wheel, configuration icon or gear icon, and then click Preferences. In the home dashboard field, select the dashboard you want to use for the home dashboard. Options include all starred dashboard. This is where the screenshot is. Click on configuration, then preferences. Under preferences, you will see the option preferences, and you see the organization preferences, the theme, and the home dashboard. So this is the default dashboard I selected. Click on save, and this will become the home dashboard. Now onward, whenever I start my Grafana, I will see this dashboard. Now let's continue with the demonstration part, setting up OCI CLI, OCI